In the next couple of minutes, I'm going to walk you through Flora AI, a new intelligent canvas that allows you to pull multiple AI creative tools together to map out your story and create something that matters. We're going to explore what Flora AI is, who it's for, the basics of how you can get started, and how it can help you to avoid creating AI slop. What makes Flora really compelling is the way that they've curated the best tools. So you can work with AI video generators like Hilo, Sora, Runway, Kling, and use them all within Flora. So the core principles of an intelligent canvas is that it's human-driven. The human has this story in their mind, this plot, these characters, scenes that they have in their mind, and they want to put it onto a screen. It's thoughtful, so you see how your ideas connect and develop rather than just being this automated thing produced by AI. It's visualized, so you can zoom out, see your whole story, or zoom into specific pieces, characters, elements, and adjust accordingly. It's iterative, so you can always go back and change things, and because everything's tied together through these nodes, it can communicate it so that you change one part of your story and it updates the entire story, which is huge compared to how traditional storyboarding has worked, having to change everything. If one finer detail changes the plot, etc. You can tie in ChatGPT to help you develop the story. So it's like this all-in-one canvas that really allows you to take your storytelling to a whole new level. Regardless of whether you're a filmmaker, a marketer, an advertising designer, there's so many applications for this. So how exactly does it look in practice? It's basically chaining creativity. So you're using text, image, and video nodes where you are creating these pieces of content, and then tying them together through the nodes. So what that looks like within a project is this. You've got a text node, you've got a character image, and then an output image. And you can make this as simple or as complex as you want to integrate AI in a way that it develops every part of your story. And then you pull in an image generator like Midjourney, where we can take something that we've created and then throw that into an AI video generator like Runway, Kling, Hilo, etc., and start developing these pieces. And you can use these different tools based on what you're trying to create and which tools produce the best results for you. So I think this is an incredibly exciting tool. I've only just started exploring it, and it's definitely something that I'm gonna use when developing broader stories and wanting to get a big idea on screen or on paper, if we're going to be traditional about it. If you want to stay up to date with everything going on in the world of AI creativity and understand exactly how you can start adopting it to empower your human creativity, then sign up for my free newsletter at escapism.ai. Thank you so much for watching.